Nonfiction.
Alright, so our topic was, we had three different things: eugenetics, payment for stem cell eggs, and cloning of new babies, or like animals, cloning of animals. And so the part for eugenetics was whether we should use eugenetics to fix born disabilities, which stuff like dwarfism and mental illnesses, and it's debating whether this should be allowed or not, because this would be the first step into lead into using eugenetics to use eugenetics to like enhance abilities of people, like athletic abilities, intelligence, good looks, like, and that's what the main debate is over.
Alright, I did the part about the stem cell research and whether or not women donate their stem cells, if they should be paid for it or not. The stem cells can, like, researchers think that if they can break the stem cells down enough, they can help cure diseases like Parkinson's and diabetes. So the whole debate is over whether or not you should get paid for donating stem cells, like ladies get paid for donating eggs to other women so they can have a baby. And just whether or not they should get paid. And it's a split argument between whether they should get paid or whether they should just get refunded for like what they're giving.
Then the third part of the article, it talks about how much science has changed lately. Like back in 1997, the first sheep was cloned, and now they're like cloning other animals and stuff. And then in the future, they predict that like baby pigs are gonna be the popular thing to clone because you can put like organs on it and stuff, so you can use it to help save lives and things. Then we have a PowerPoint too.
One thing about eugenics is scientists are finding new ways to genetically alter DNA to fix genetic disease and disabilities. This could be like a really big advantage because there's a lot of people these days from like a lot of bad dieting, a lot of poor ways of living, and lead to a lot of unhealthy issues. And this is a new way to introduce a good way to kind of get rid of all that stuff, you know, stuff like that. Like for example, scientists are now altering animal DNA to make them stronger or make them produce more food. That can be good in the food production because mass production of a lot of food, like always a way to get more. This is the way to do it by genetically altering animals and stuff. Stem cell research, stem cell research is alright.
Stem cell research. Stem cell research is a new way to help cure diseases, development, and other inventions. In order to get stem cells for research, women have to agree to donate eggs, and scientists don't pay them. Women deserve to be paid because their donation benefits the research of stem cell eggs to save the lives of others. For example, if women are paid to transfer eggs to an infertile woman, then they should be paid to donate their eggs to stem cell research.
There are benefits to cloning animals. One reason is the idea of using the organs from a cloned animal to save the life of a human with a faulty kidney or some other organ. This should be allowed because it has the potential of making a big difference in medical science and save a lot of people's lives. For example, if your kid needed a kidney transplant and was on a long waiting list, he might not survive long enough to get through the waiting list to get a kidney, but he could get one from a cloned animal, and that organ could be transplanted into his body and save his life.
It's kind of crazy how they I think Mr. Burrow showed a picture of like a mouse with like a human beard growing on it. It's kind of crazy, but it's kind of cool because like no one was able to do that like 10 years ago, 15 years ago. So it's pretty much like a breakthrough. So yeah.
All right.